Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I am back home now. So I thought I would show you what I ended up getting yesterday at Kohl's. So today is Sunday. Happy Sunday, by the way. I ended up getting this one, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you. It is so darn cute, you guys. So the next one I want to get is the Belle one, the Beauty and the Beast Belle. But here it came just like this, packaged like that. Really, really cute. And it was, here's the price, $19.99. And I actually had Kohl's cash to use, so I had $10 off. And then I had I bought a couple other things I'll show you after this, but I had a $5 coupon that I got when I did an Amazon, return. So they gave me a $5 promotional coupon. So this turned out to be really inexpensive. I think this, because, they take the coupon off bunch, like the whole transaction, you know what I mean? So a little bit came off each item. But anyway, so let me go ahead and open this up. It's Magic Sound, it says. That's cute, Magic Sound. And let's see what it says on the back too. Okay, so a keepsake is much more than an ornament. It's a little work of art created by a real person with a real passion to tell a big story. From the people and things you love to memories of the past to the anticipation of something new. Your keepsake honors and celebrates everything that makes a holiday special: joy, togetherness, family, and friends. When you hang a keepsake, you're hanging the story of you. Happy hanging. That's cute. Okay, so I wish I had a Christmas tree, by the way, up to show you guys this on, but I have just my Halloween decor, so don't mind that. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So it came just like this, as you know, and it has, let me pause it, but I want to show you, it came wrapped in tissue. Okay, so it's out of the box now, and it's, like I said, came tissue wrapped just like this. I already opened it up. I had to put the batteries in it. It came with the cell batteries. I actually had to, unscrew the back and put the battery. Oh, there it goes. It's starting to go. I wanted to surprise you guys. Okay, let me see. So it is, it's talking already. Okay, so here we go, you guys. Look at how cute this is. Okay, here we go. So here it is. I just love the detail of it. I love the Minions movies. I think they're so adorable. And something about this, my kids love this movie. And like we went on the ride at Universal Studios, the Minions ride, and we've seen the movie. And or was it Disneyland? Did we go? I think it was Universal Studios. Yeah. Anyways, so cute. I love that he's dressed as Santa Claus because I love Christmas and Santa Claus and all that. And again, let me go ahead and play the side. So the button to activate is on the side of his jacket. And by the way, I have to get my own little hanging ornament thing for this. It doesn't come with it. I noticed that some ornaments come with like a fancy string for Hallmark, but this one does not. So that's the only thing I was surprised about. It did not have an, I should have known that, but I guess it doesn't. So anyway. He's singing up on the housetop. Isn't that cute? And he's singing, he laughs at the end. It's so cute. So anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and show you what else I got yesterday at Kohl's. But yeah, let me just show you the back. This is where the batteries go in. And I'm going to play it one more time, and I won't talk through it. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to talk. Here we go. Okay, so there is that. Okay, so like I said, I think I'm gonna buy a few more ornaments this year from Hallmark because they're they're always really, really cute. But I'm just excited about that. And then let me show you what else I have that I got there at Hallmark, or not Hallmark, but Kohl's. So I ended up getting these earrings, you guys. These are so cute. Talk about like 2 different seasons, right? But yeah, I picked up these Celebrate Together earrings. They're like crystal, like rhinestones, like rhinestones, yeah, and they're very like bedazzled, and that's what I love about them. And they're pretty good size in comparison to like the the ornament here, the Minions ornament. It's pretty good size. Like they're dangly long earrings. And so originally they were $16, and I think they were half off, and then I had another coupon on top of that. So I think they were, I'll tell you, I have the receipt right here. I'll tell you how much it came to. But anyway, they're cute because they're like jointed, so they actually like move, and just really pretty. I think they're really pretty. So I was looking for even more. They didn't have a lot of options for like the big dangly earrings for Halloween. Just basically like all I saw was this, but that could just be at my Kohl's. They may have different options at other Kohl's stores. But here's that. And then I ended up getting, just as I showed it in my video, yesterday, I ended up getting this plaid skirt, you guys. This plaid skirt is really, really cute. So this was originally, it goes to like my knees. This was originally $40, and I got it for $16, and then I had a coupon on top of that. So anyways, really, really cute skirt there. But anyways, you guys, so total spent, let's see. Well, I did the skirt on a separate transaction. So the ornament and the earrings cost me, with all my coupons, $17.44. And I saved $19.80. Yeah, that makes sense. So the Christmas ornament, the Hallmark one, came out to $10.37. That's an amazing deal. And then the earrings were only $5.82. Originally $16. So like I said, that was really cool. And then like I said, I rang up the plaid skirt separately, and that was, I don't think the receipt's in the bag. It's probably in the bag. Yeah, it's right here. The plaid skirt came to, let's see, we're looking at, it was on sale for $9.60, and then $10.34 with tax saved me $30, you guys. $30. That's almost Goodwill pricing for that skirt, because at Goodwill that skirt would be like $6.99 or $7.99 at Goodwill. And this is brand new. I thought it'd be really cute to wear in the wintertime with like a cute cardigan or in like a long jacket, you know, and tights and boots. It'd just be really, really cute. And I love plaids. As you guys know, I like seriously love plaids. And I can't wait to wear this. It's like a polyester blend, by the way, not like a flannel. It might look like a flannel, but it's actually like polyester. Yeah, so anyways, you guys, that's basically it for my haul today. I'm excited to show you what I got, and yeah, I decorated today more for Halloween, and so I just put up all my little, this one I just hauled from Home Goods the other day with you guys, and a couple of the other things here are Halloween as well. Well, this whole table is. I didn't do a haul on this, but this table scarf, this runner, is brand new. I just put it up today. It's from Hobby Lobby. I got it with the spring collection for 90% off, so it was, I actually have the tag on it. So I literally just put this on my table a few minutes ago, like an hour ago. This cost me $1.99. There we go, $1.99. It was originally $19.99. Look at that. So yeah, it was just hanging on the end of my runner here. I have to clip that off with scissors. But anyways, you guys, that's it for my haul. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, I wanted to review this, show you guys this, and give you my opinion of it. I think it's a darling little keepsake ornament. And again, I'm going to be collecting these because they're just really fun, and something that I really am enjoying getting and seeing this year. They're coming out some really, really cute ones. So again, friends, thank you again for being here, and I will see you very, very soon with my next store walkthrough, haul, or both. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, a huge thank you once again for always being here. And I'll see you guys later today with another video. So again, thank you so much for being here. Take care. God bless you always, friends, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bye-bye.